Here we are in 8277, which is an aft balcony. In the cabin, we are naturally on the aft of the ship. Actually, the very top deck of cabins, as far as the aft of the ship. Old school light switch, no cards needed to keep the lights on. We've got 3 closets. We have one with your life jackets, extra pillows, and second closet, and your third closet with some shelves, not like the Mardi Gras or the celebration where you can fold these shelves up, but they do flip up and they kind of lock with this little tab up here, but not as easy as the celebration and the Mardi Gras, which you guys know that's my favorite. 2 pegs just outside the door for hang the snooze card, your restroom, 2 pegs on the door. You can lock the door naturally. You got your shower, just a standard shower with your shower clothes hanger rod there, or your string, whatever you want to call that. Your restroom with the annoying button that you have to touch the lid. Towels, your shelves, which it does give you a lot of shelves. Trash can naturally at the bottom with your Kleenex. It's supposed to be in here, but it's not. And you got a couple of little shelves down there. And that's pretty much it for the restroom. Now here, remember, your light switch for the restroom is always on the outside. And then you got your light up mirror. The only thing bad about this ship, as you can see, there are no USB ports up on the counter. So hopefully you brought your own. Now the one I brought will have a hard time getting under here, but I can force it in there. Again, you got your lighted mirror. You got your cabinet here. Small TV, probably the smallest TVs on any of the ships that we've been on lately. Your safe in your cabinet. Now I'm not sure why there's only 1 bottle of water in here. Maybe because Max is not diamond, I'm not sure. You have your regular drawer, and then you have your little mini fridge. They like to call it a cooler, I don't know why, with no shelves. All the shelves have been taken out. Okay, wouldn't be surprised people stole them. We do have a couch and a table, a lamp that will convert to a bed, and then naturally we have them set up as twin beds. I'm not sleeping with Max in a king-size bed. That ain't happening. My wife would be jealous. And then there we have a shelf down here. Again, we do have USB ports over here on our lamps, which I like that we have 2 each on each. Not sure why they... And we got that. Still got the old school lighting in here. And then we have our balcony, which we do have a balcony, a light switch. We couldn't find the one on the celebration to turn it on. And it's just a little LED light. Out on our balcony, again, as you can see, we are on the aft of the ship. Pretty good sized balcony. It's not small. The only thing I don't like about this is if the sun is coming up, you notice you don't have much protection above you because we are on the top deck, to where these cabins down here are protected by our deck. So that's one little thing that I don't like about the 8th deck, which is the panorama deck. Alrighty, well, that concludes this tour. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to see future ship tours. We got quite a few coming up.